I'm pretty sure that you saw my previous video, but if you didn't see it, then it's okay, so I'll just do like a brief recap of what I explained before. So basically, in the previous video, I explained the fundamentals of how you are cutting your hair, the relationship with how you're cutting your hair and the drawing, Okay, so let's do the other part of the drawing. Level open in this way, and it doesn't cut completely the hair, so yeah, hope so. So what you have to do is just start with the details like drawing. So after you do the detail, you just kind of like do the fade in this way, and you can see already that it's creating a fade right there. So basically, when I'm cutting that part, I open this side, you can see that it's moving like that, and when I'm cutting it in that way, I just have to cut it till this line. So when I'm cutting that fade, I'll cut it till this line. Okay, so when you're drawing, normally you start with with the sketch, and then you start with details and everything like that. So what I'm going to explain you now is that it's kind of like similar, but I just want to explain you the instrument, what you need, what is used for and everything, So you start with this. Okay, so this is a wall detailer. Okay, so what does this do? This is used more for when you're doing details and everything like that. It's so precise that you can see the blade as well. It's very sharp, very, very sharp. And normally you use it for for doing all the details around your hair, your beard. Normally it's not really used to do like fade or anything like that. You can do fade as well with it, but it's more used for details and everything like that. So after using this, okay, when you start with your sketch, no, I'm joking. So when you start with your with the details around your hair, as I show you in the previous video, we do your copying and everything like that, and I hope you checked it out and you practice as well with the mirror and everything. So there's another type of clipper that you have to use after using a detailer. So after using the detailer, so the clipper to do details, you use this one. So you can see the difference is just way bigger. This one is smaller, okay, and this one is bigger, okay. So what do I use this one for? So this one is used for mostly for to do fade, to do everything that is like fade, or to grab a lot of hair that is around, everything like that. After you do the details, you use this one normally. And yeah, so that's basically that's what it is, And then basically you just follow the line that you did to the other side. So you have to basically do the same thing that you did before, but just following the line. So just remember, take it step by step, and I hope to see you the next time. Bye.